Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to change the time format of your D20 smartwatch. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's video we're going to have the quick tutorial on how to change the time format of your D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, so we have here our D20 smartwatch, and then as you can see, it's in a 24-hour format. So all we just have to do is just make sure that you are in the home screen, and as you can see, there is a circle icon here. So you just have to long press that one, and boom, it's already in a 12-hour format. Okay, so the reason why I made this video is that I received some questions on how to change the time format of their D20 smartwatch. Alright guys, so that's just a quick tutorial, and then if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.